Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make the perfect vanilla cake. This is very easy and perfect for any occasion, so even if you're not a professional baker, trust me, you can do this at home. So guys, these are the ingredients we'll be using for our vanilla cake today. This is flour, we have some butter, we have some granulated sugar, we have about 4 large eggs, we have buttermilk also. As usual, a list of all the ingredients and the quantities will be in the description box. This is milk flavor, it's optional. Then we also have vanilla extract, baking powder, and then some salt. First things first, you want to preheat your oven while you start off, and then you are going to butter your pan. You can use your hands like I'm doing, or you can use a brush if you have anyone available. So you just butter your pan properly, then you pour in some flour, then you just move it around, make sure that the butter is coated with flour, and then you can dust off the excess. This is very important to make sure that when you are done baking your cake does not stick to the pan. So if you do this properly, when you are done baking your cake, it just slides out perfectly. So let's start mixing. So this is our flour. We'll be adding in a bit of salt, followed with some baking powder, and then we're going to give this a quick mix so it's well combined. I'll move on to add my milk flavor I told you about. Like I said, this is optional, and then I'm going to give this another mix, make sure it's well combined, and then I'm going to put it aside. In a large bowl, I'm going to add in my butter and follow in with my sugar. So at this point, I'm going to use my hand mixer to give this a really nice mix. If you don't have a hand mixer available at home, no worries, you can use the effect. Just do it until it becomes so nice and fluffy. Next, I'll be adding in my eggs. So I have a total of 4 eggs. I'm going to be adding it one at a time. So I'm just going to be adding this in quarters until I've added the 4. Guys, as you are watching this, if it's your first time on our channel, please take a minute to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, so anytime we upload delicious and easy meals on a budget, you get to see it. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So as you can see, I'm done adding in my eggs now, and this is looking so nice. Next up, I'm going to be adding in my vanilla extract, and then just give this a quick mix, and then we're done. So now we're going to be adding in our flour mixture in thirds, alternating it with our buttermilk. On every addition of flour or buttermilk, you want to give this a very nice mix so that all the ingredients can be well combined. And also, you have to make sure that everything you are using is on room temperature. That way, at the end of the day, your batter becomes very smooth and not grainy. From time to time, feel free to scrape the edges of the bowl to make sure everything is well combined. So now we're done mixing. This is what our batter currently looks like, guys. This is so smooth, and you can tell at this point that your cake is going to come out perfectly well. So we're just going to move on now to pour this into our pan. So we're adding it into our pan. As you can see, our batter is not too thick, and then we're just going to tap the sides, make sure it's level, and then put this in our already preheated oven. And the next 30 minutes, our beauty is ready, and this is it, guys. This vanilla cake is so delicious, and it is perfect for any occasion you are hosting. You can decide to use it as a birthday cake or a wedding cake, or as a dessert for you to eat at home. Look at what the reverse sides looks like. Wow, this is so beautiful. Do let us know what you think about this vanilla cake recipe in the comment section. If you have not, give this video a thumbs up, click the subscribe button. I will be catching you in our next video. Bye.